Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Avery and this is Avery's World. Today we're back again with another video. This time we're doing a jewelry swap box with another YouTuber. Her name is Kristen D. And I'm going to be linking all of her information down below so you can check out her channel and her jewelry subscription service. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you enjoy watching this video, give it a thumbs up. I mainly do jewelry hauls and I'm a reseller on Poshmark and Mercari. Okay you guys, I'm really excited to see what she sent me. Let's get into it. For the jewelry swap, we actually decided to swap 5 different jewelry pieces. So let's see what we have. Okay, so our first item is a set. It's a brooch and clip-on earring set by the brand 1928, and it looks really pretty so far. And I love clip-on earrings because my ears actually my hole's actually closed up, so this will be perfect for me. I love the gold filigree, and I love the center, the flowers, very beautiful. I have my mom off to the side helping me today. She's just opening the Ziploc bags for me. Thanks, Mom. Okay, here we go. These are beautiful. I love the iridescence of the middle part. Actually sort of looks like a pearl a little bit. Okay, let's go on to the next item. We have a beautiful ring from House of Harlow. This is gold tone. And I love the surface. It's like a blue, sort of like cracked surface. It's kind of cool. Let's see the size. I think it's about a 4 or 5. But there's like a part inside the ring that adjusts, so I think you could probably fit it if your finger is a little bit bigger. Very pretty. Okay, so next we have this bracelet from Betsy Johnson, one of my favorite brands, so I'm so glad that Kristen sent this item. Thank you, Kristen. Let's see. Oh, it's so cute. I love the little cat on the bridge. And I love the enamel work. Very beautiful. Very pretty. On to the next. Okay, so let's see. This is beautiful. We have a lot of different beads and chains going on here. I'm not sure if this is a necklace or a belt, but it's very beautiful. Very nice. Okay. I think this is our final piece. And we have a bracelet and a necklace. I really like these medallions with the faces on them. They're so cool. They remind me of coins. I love the silver beads too. Very pretty. And the bracelet is stretchy. It's always a good sign. Let's have a look at the necklace a little bit closer. Very unique and beautiful. Okay. So I think my favorite piece was the brooch today. I also really love brooches. So, goodbye guys. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.